Forget everything you've been told about finding winning products. Seriously. While everyone else is stuck fighting over the same tired, saturated items, your sunset lamps, your posture correctors, your mini projectors, a small group of dropshippers is quietly making an absolute fortune. How? They're not getting lucky. They're not spending thousands on fancy research tools. They're using a simple framework to look where no one else is even thinking to look. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what those untapped categories are and how you can start finding these kinds of products for free today. This is the new playbook for dropshipping in 2025. Let's get real for a second. If you've tried dropshipping, you probably know that sinking feeling. You find what you think is a winner, you build a store, maybe run some ads, and then nothing. It's because you see the same dozen products in every top 10 video and you start to believe the myth that dropshipping is dead, saturated, over. But that's a complete lie. The real reason most stores fail isn't saturation. It's a total lack of strategy. New dropshippers are obsessed with finding that one magic product, but they're all fishing in the same tiny, crowded pond. The opportunity isn't in a single product, it's in identifying underserved markets. I stopped looking for products and started looking for problems. People don't buy products, they buy solutions, they buy a feeling, they buy a transformation, and today, I'm handing you the keys to the markets that are practically begging for new solutions. So if you are tired of the recycled advice and want to see what's actually working right now, do me a quick favor and smash that like button. It tells the algorithm we're ready for the new way of doing things. So, what is this new way? It's a dead simple 3-step framework that costs you exactly $0 to use. All it takes is a small shift in how you think. Step 1. Stop searching for products. Start searching for problems. Instead of just typing winning dropshipping products into a search bar, you need to think like a customer. What are people struggling with? What are they passionate about? What weird niche communities are they a part of? A passionate customer in a niche market is worth 100 random impulse buyers. Step 2. Use free tools to validate passion, not just trends. Everyone says to use Google Trends. That's entry-level stuff. We're going to use it, but we're going to use it smarter. We'll also tap into free gold mines like the TikTok Creative Center, Reddit forums, and niche Facebook groups to find what people are emotionally invested in. These communities are treasure maps because they will tell you exactly what they want, what they can't find, and what they're willing to pay for. Step 3. Find the value gap. This is where the real magic happens. Once you find a passionate community, you look for the gap between what they wish they had and what's currently on the market. Is everything available ugly? Is it all low-quality plastic? Is it all overpriced? Is it bad for the planet? That gap, that's where your brand is born. Now, let's put this framework to work and uncover the first untapped category. The first category is one most dropshippers skip because they dismiss it as just a trend. It's not a trend, it's a massive societal shift. I'm talking about eco-friendly and sustainable products. More than ever, consumers are voting with their wallets and actively looking for products that align with their values. But when most dropshippers hear eco-friendly, they think of bamboo toothbrushes or reusable shopping bags. That ship has sailed. The real opportunity is in sustainable alternatives for everyday items people haven't even considered swapping yet. Product examples: compostable phone cases. Everyone has a phone case and nearly all of them are plastic. A stylish, plant-based, compostable phone case is an effortless, guilt-free upgrade for a gigantic audience. Solar-powered gadgets? Think beyond massive solar panels. I'm talking about solar-powered chargers, sleek, solar-powered outdoor lights, and even eco-friendly smart home devices. This hits two huge markets at once: tech and sustainability. Waterless or refillable cleaning and personal care. Think laundry detergent strips, shampoo bars, or beautifully designed refillable containers for home cleaners. These products drastically reduce plastic waste and shipping weight, which is also a massive win for your profit margins. How to find these for free? Jump on the TikTok Creative Center, but don't search for a product. Search for hashtags like .zero waste home and sustainable living or ecohack. Find the videos with crazy engagement that aren't ads. What DIY solutions are people cobbling together? What wasteful products are they complaining about? Those are your product ideas. Then you just find a supplier for the solution. The global pet market is colossal, but again, most dropshippers are stuck selling the same generic dog beds and boring chew toys. The market has evolved. Today, pet owners are pet parents, and they treat their pets like children. This has created an explosive demand for premium, tech-focused, and wellness-oriented pet products. This isn't just about cute accessories. It's about solving real problems for today's pet owners. Product examples: pet tech gadgets. This is an absolute goldmine. Think GPS pet trackers, automatic pet feeders with cameras, and interactive smart toys that keep pets from getting bored while their owners are at work. These are often higher ticket items with incredible profit margins. Pet wellness and anxiety solutions. Just like us, pets get anxious. Products like calming pet beds, pheromone diffusers, and natural supplements are seeing huge demand with way less competition than standard pet toys. Eco-friendly. Pet products. This one is a killer combo, mixing our first category with this one. Think biodegradable poop bags, toys made from recycled materials, and beds made from sustainable fabrics. You're targeting a hyper-specific, passionate buyer who is ready to pay a premium. How to find these for free? Use Google Trends, but use it to compare niches. For example, compare dog bed, huge volume, insane competition, with calming dog bed, rising volume, less competition, or dog toy versus interactive pet toy. You'll see the problem-solving terms are the ones on the rise. Then go lurk in Reddit communities like I's Dogs or R Cat Care. See what brands they love, and more importantly, what they complain about. Your next winning product is hiding in those complaint threads. Now, finding these untapped categories is the critical first step, but turning them into a real, profitable brand is the next. You have to find suppliers you can trust, build a brand that connects with these passionate groups, and market your products in a way that doesn't feel like a cheap ad. This third category is my absolute favorite because it's built on pure, unadulterated passion. Forget broad markets like fitness or kitchen goods. We are diving into hyper-niche hobbies and celebrations. These are communities of die-hard fans and hobbyists who are desperate for products that get them. The average dropshipper is terrified of these niches, thinking they're too small. But a small, passionate audience that buys over and over is infinitely more valuable than a massive, indifferent one. Product examples: specialized crafting and DIY kits. The DIY movement is bigger than ever, but don't just sell craft supplies, sell a niche all-in-one kit. Think DIY candle making sets, resin art starter packs, or high-quality embroidery kits for specific aesthetics. Hobbyists will pay for quality and convenience. Niche fitness and outdoor gear. Instead of generic resistance bands, think about specific fitness tribes. For example, grip strength trainers for rock climbers, ultralight trekking poles for minimalist hikers, or specialized yoga props for restorative practices. Themed celebration supplies. The party supply market is shockingly profitable. Don't sell generic balloons. Sell curated bundles for specific events, like a gaming tournament party kit with unique props, or a bachelorette party survival kit with clever themed items. People will pay a premium for a one-box solution that makes their event special. How to find these for free? This is where you become a digital anthropologist. Go to Facebook and search for groups related to super specific hobbies: urban gardening for beginners, 3D printing enthusiasts, mountain biking dads. Join them and just listen. What tools are they asking for recommendations on? What are they MacGyvering together because a real solution doesn't exist? That's your golden ticket. They will literally tell you what to sell them. So is dropshipping saturated in 2025? Only if you're looking in the same dusty corners as everyone else. The opportunity hasn't disappeared, it has simply moved. It's no longer about finding a single, gimmicky, winning product. The future of e-commerce is building real brands that serve real communities. It's about shifting your entire focus from products to people and their problems. The 3 untapped categories we covered: eco-conscious living, the modern pet parent, and hyper-niche hobbies, are overflowing with passionate customers just waiting for a creative brand to come along. The methods are free, the ideas are everywhere, and the market is ready. Stop following the herd. Start solving problems. Do that. And you won't just build a dropshipping store, you'll build an empire. If you got any value from this video, do yourself a favor and subscribe, then turn on notifications. I'm dedicated to sharing what is actually working in e-commerce right now, not what worked 2 years ago.